Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to find someone on Roblox if you don't know their username. So first of all, there's no like official way to do this, but if you have played something with your friend, so for example, let's press right there on the game. If you have played the game, you want to go ahead and now scroll to the servers, and then you may see your friend somewhere here or right there on the other servers, because for example I played with a friend right there and now I can see it here. If you don't see it there, now what you need to do, you're gonna press on the three lines or three dots on the Chrome right there, and after that you're gonna press history, and just press history or press Ctrl H. And now after this, as you can see, I have two friends now here which I have visited recently, so maybe you've been to their profile and you're gonna see them right there, and you can go to the person and find their profile. So that's pretty much it. If this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.